Jai Hind friends, last time we had discussed about word association test. I am sure you must have practiced the way I had told you. And third test is your situation reaction test. Now if you see, this is a test of your visualization. How well you can visualize the situation on ground and come out with a right or correct response. Now, there's nothing called right or wrong response. Everyone has to have it. There's no fixed response in situation reaction test. Everyone with his own exposures of life is going to attend the situation differently. For example, he was coming from late night movie show on a lonely road during dark night. He found a woman shouting and two men holding her. Now, here the response of person may differ in terms of a person who is 6 feet of height and who knows boxing, or he has done a lot of active participations in physical activities. His response to this situation will be different. And a person with a short height or medium build and having creative hobbies, maybe he will be giving the response differently. So there is no right or wrong answer to these situations. The only thing we desire or we want to see is your character's involvement in the situation. First of all, situation reaction test is always on a third person. It is never on you. Most of the time you might be seeing situations with you in internet, which is totally unscientific. Because whenever the situation is prepared, when you put yourself in that situation, your responses become emotionally charged. And our aim is not to make you emotionally charged, but to find out your rationalized responses. So in situation reaction test, whatever first response or reaction you get in your mind, you must give that. And your aim should be to make your character, that he or she, to get involved into the situation. How you can make that he or she person involved with a response where he is able to come out with a solution of that situation. The best possible solution, what is coming to your mind. So this is a test of visualization. How well you visualize the situation, you will get naturally the response will come to your mind on the basis of your own exposures. Now, these situations are routinely, if you see, there is nothing special we are asking. In your lifetime, in past 17, 18, 20 years of life, you have read, heard, seen, experienced these kind of situations in your surroundings. So these are very routine situations, if you see, and they are scientifically framed. Psychologically, they are framed by specialists. There is always a scope of deviating your response from A to B for different kind of persons, right? So just visualize it as close as possible for you on ground and then give your response from the third person side. Do not put yourself into that situation. So if you practice like this, and do not practice from internet, especially where you kind of situations are given. And I'm sure there are a lot of material available in internet where on a third person situations are framed, and I'm sure you will get few practice from that. And otherwise, not much practice is needed. Just going through 50, 60 situations, it will make you understand how to appear for this test. So be very natural and genuine while responding to these situations. So all the best. Try it in your practice, and we'll meet again for self-description. All the best.